We have another property for sale, another listing, 4.1 hectares, 41,000 square meters at 100 pesos per square meter, negotiable, located in Barangay San Francisco, Ubay, Bohol, approximately 2.5 kilometers from National Highway and approximately 300 meters more or less from the barangay road. And it has agreed already by the neighborhood that they will provide a road right of way. So because they are relatives, then they have already agreement that they can give their relative a road right of way. So 100 pesos, mahangyo pa. This is ideal for farming, cassava plantation, and cattle farming, then many more guys. And it is along the river. So along the river ni siya guys. So along the river, ako na mo guning gipost sa una, then mana to kuan kay wala man sila magkasabot sa eksakto nga presyo niyang uban, dili man mo sugot. So sugod lang sila sa 100 pesos per square meter, negotiable. So di ta makabasta-basta og presyohan ani guys, kay naa magin ni mga igsuon pa. I forgot pila to ni sila kabuok, basta nakoy na istorya diri mga tulo. So tapas Manila mao tay gadag tingog. So nindot kay ni puy-an guys, kay mingaw ba. So very quiet. Then if you want piggery, you can make it piggery. Poultry, yes, you can do poultry. Wagay makabadlong nimo guys. Nya there is a water, no? So it's a northern part of Bohol province, 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City. So dako kayo ang bakante guys, no? Imagine this is 4.1 hectares, din taas ng kuan, a big portion of river, no? Along the river gud siya. Ato naman hindi kuan sa una, pero nagsige magkuan tong taga Manila, ipausab mao na nilang presyo. So okay lang po kay silingan raman mi dire. So this is the river guys. Daghan gini siya tubig guys, basta rainy season. Yan na sila gihimo murag kaliguan na, no, tabay. Mone limpyo ba yan eh guys. So mone see, mone ilahang ari sila mo kaos mo kabo. So sini this is also nice. So it will come out at 4.1 million pesos. Barato ra ni guys. along the river guys, kanang mga daghang kahoy ba guys, mao man mga that is the boundary and along the river. Pero the same river that we have gone dili laom, so this is really ideal for piggery. Piggery sa tindot sa ni piggery nya, limpyo ang yuta no, it's really good for farming. Nindot ba, it's like a black color, kuan nindot siya guys. So this part that is still included no, so mo na siya guys. So there is a portion of rice field here guys. Daghan namang kipi-kipi, murag dili na kong padayon dito kay matunok na ta. Okay. Ato na lagi matuon para maklaro. So mana guys no, gamay ra unirrigated rice field. So mano to guys no, 4,100 square meters, 41,000 square meters or 4.1 hectares at 100 pesos per square meter, located here in Barangay San Francisco, Ubay, Bohol. Then just make an offer kay kini mo good guys, nana sila kasabutan, although according to the in charge one of the year they have to pay the road access, kaya di man po na ingon pangayoon yun guys. So they will arrange on that. Then like inheritance tax also, so they are going to pay. There's still capital gain. So mo na guys, naay uban manggod murag gitawag lang nag mamulabog kanang kuan lang ba kay kay bawo unsay purpose, basta kung unsay gipresyo nako retain lang ta nya, offer lang mo kay kung mo offer mo cash pod ni guys, kay di pod ni pautang kay daghan mo sila magbahin, meaning di nila bahinon ang farm, ang kwarta na ilang bahinon, dili na sila magkuan. So kana no, kana linyahan ay lubi diha, paingon dito kana linya, paingon na dito sa pa nya na portion katong portion sa kanang basakan. So mag-agad yun tas taga Manila kay ni hunong makog-post ani kay nalagi toy ni offer og mas ubos nya, problema manggod kay nireklamo sila kay nabay mga bayranan. So depende na lang po no. For inquiries just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. By the way guys, ang kining San Francisco adjacent ra ni sa San Pascual nya, kanang San Pascual guys kuan ra na siya, kanang San Pascual Ubay kanang kuan ra na siya, kanang barangay pero progressive. Gi-apply na pagka-town sa una, kanang gi-apply na pagkalungsod pero murag wala ma-prosper. Then San Francisco, daghan namang mga foreigner diri ni sud pod. Kanang mga 30 minutes drive ra ni from Anda, White Sand Beaches. Kay adto kas Anda guys, naaman ang price dito nga tag 1,000, 1,500. Kanang 1,000 murag das ibabaw na. Kanang duol sa dagat na tag 3,500 na or 4,000, 5,000 gani. Ya, napay tay makita no ubos-ubos 2,000 or 2,500. 1,500 lisod-lisod na pero nagihapon. Pero asa man ka mangita na kaysa mo palit kag tag 100 pesos ang per square meter, mahangyo pa. So nindot kayo. So pila ra man pud na, duol ra man ha. Minutes ra. Okay? Nya from airport, let's say 3 hours. Ya, ang uban pabor man sa na may seaport dire, going to Leyte, going to Cebu, na dire sa ubay. So nya napoy beach dire sa ubay, kaliguanan. Ato sa Sinandigan, daghan. So nindot na ni nga property kung gusto ka mo palit, no. Ya, klaro-klaro gyud ang tag-iya. Okay? Thank you very much and God bless to all. And if you have properties for sale, just let me know. I will help you sell your property. Okay? Bye.